Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm going to teach you a different kind of song today. It's a TV show theme from the series called Severance. It's a great TV show, I recommend it. I just finished the second series the other day. Okay, the chords are C minor over C, always C in the bass. F sharp, the C in the bass stays, and then F and A flat minor. Play them again for you from the first one. C minor, F sharp, F, A flat. Now root position, you'd have to move further. Look, C minor, all the way up here to F sharp, F. But I'm making them closer together. So you can play F sharp here. And I think that's the voicing he's using. F, just move down a semitone, A flat minor. And we have the melody that comes in. So over A flat. This, by the way, is a Roland Go Piano 88. Just a smaller, lighter one that I use at my aunt's place. I just bought it to use when I'm staying here temporarily. Anyway, enough about pianos. I normally use an FP30, that's also a Roland. This is a slightly cheaper model, but pretty good. I normally leave links to the instruments, that's why I mentioned it in the YouTube comments, or the description, sorry. The rest of the melody, in case you want to check out the piano I'm using. Anyway, there's that part. There's also this. So let's try that with the chords. I'm going to make it easier and play it down here. So that F sharp melody note comes in before the chord. You see that? There's also a lead-in melody there. He plays a lead-in as well when he goes back to the melody later in the theme. Again. So that's A flat, B, C sharp, D, C, G, D, C, F sharp. Repeat, then F. Then E flat. It does sound better up here, doesn't it? And don't forget that C in the bass remains. And so on. Alright, that's the Severance theme tune. Sorry about the camera shake there as I step back and make the camera wobble. Alright, I'm going to teach a lot more TV show themes and movie show themes. Thinking about the classics. Jurassic Park, Matrix, all the films I grew up watching, Terminator, Alien. If you have any requests for theme tunes of TV shows or movies, put them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this one, as always, click like and subscribe. I look forward to reading your comments and making more videos for the channel. Many more coming up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.